Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from your video in Clipchamp. If you have recently added the green screen in your video and don't know how to remove it, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. Find the Clipchamp app, now open it. Now choose one video that you have added the green screen to. Here you can find the option of edit, now tap on it. Now you can see there has been a green screen effect added to your video. To remove it, tap onto the effects button right here. Now you can see there has been the green screen effect added. Now scroll to your left and here you will find the option of none. Simply tap on it. Then tap onto the check mark. Now you can see the green screen effect has been removed from your video. And that's it. This is how we can remove the green screen from your video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.